with new material. So
सर वो न्यू मटेरियल स्पीकिंग क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
speaking is going on, beta. Listening and speaking is going on.
सर हर दिन करवाया करो.
So why are you not speaking in English?
सर सर you should organize speaking sessions every day.
Yes, listening also. So what I was saying you that always in every class there is at least one student who is called a type of padaku. So, matlab, what is the meaning of it? That when teacher comes to the class and suppose the teacher told you yesterday that I will listen to this thing and this thing, or I will check your homework and such types of things. If a teacher says to you in your class, and when the next day the teacher comes, so mostly it happens that the teacher forgets what he said to you yesterday. Like this is the message. Thank God he forgot what he gave to us yesterday to do. This is the message of Anuj. So thank. So most of the student pray to God that please God do some arrangement so that our teacher may forget what he has given to us to do. So because many of students have not completed the task that has been given to the students.
सर हम कमेंट ही नहीं कर सकते, हम क्या करें?
And but always there is a student when teacher comes to the class and when he start teaching, forgetting what he said yesterday. So there is every time I have felt it in my all the career of 30 years or more than 30 years, 33 years. I have completed 33 years. So every time there is a student who says, Sir, you gave us this work to do. Every time. And all the students, particularly those who have not completed the task that was given to them yesterday, look at him angrily. And that student is very happy. आओ. आज ही तो मिला है मौका. So I think all of you have such things in your school days or in your college days or when you are students. So I think now you have understood the today's experience or about the teacher. So now you are free today to speak about the teacher or about the student that you remember so much that I think it is clear to you. And this is the very good thing that our students have started given their names. Sir, they are called teacher ka chamcha. देखिए इस तरीके की चीजें आती, कहते कि ये चमचा है सर का. दिस इज द चमचा और चमची ऑफ द टीचर. और वो उसको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, उसको तो फंसवाना है सबको, हैं?
पर सर कभी उसे बाहर भी मिल लिया जाता है, फिर
बाद में मिला जाता है
नहीं,
some
बात
students.
में
Yes, so this is the point of today. And if you want to speak about such a student or if you want to speak about such teacher, so you are most welcome. And this is a very good thing that this is a very good thing for me that today I feel that today or these days I feel that before completing the topic of speaking, you start giving your names. So this is a very good thing. Thank you very much to listen to me so patiently and intently. So now it is your turn. So we are starting with Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav, be happy. Today again, we have a speaking session. Come on.
सर आज लगता है भगवान सुन रहे हैं बातें.
तेरी बहुत सुन रहे हैं बेटा, लग रहा है हर मंगलवार को मंदिर जाता है आजकल तू. है? आजा. Yes, come on, Gaurav.
Everyone, I'm Gaurav here and today's topic is about that one teacher teacher's assistant who remind the teacher that
Teachers.
especially math teacher, math or science teacher
Okay.
about the test.
Hmm.
And but in my class, in 7th class, no one prepared for the test. So who will remind? Understand? Who will? Sir, it's like पैर पे कुल्हाड़ी मारना.
Hmm.
No one has prepared for the test. All are dheet बच्चे.
Yes. This happens many times. When teacher says you previous day that tomorrow would be arranged a test, and suddenly if he forgets, then one of the students always says that, sir, yesterday you instructed us to have a test. Yes, come on, Gaurav. Hmm.
But in my class, no one is like that student. But if a student took holiday on that day, no one will learn because obviously, if no one will learn, the test will be postponed for tomorrow, and then the student who took holiday will this is the end because he will not learn, and all the students will learn, and he will just get betrayal.
Hmm.
So in my class, no one is teacher assistant because every because every uh, are scared of the classes badmoshis. I am not one of them.
Hmm. Any experience of your
But
teacher
all
that you remember too much?
but but when I in my 7th class, my English teacher had 2 periods on Monday, Tuesday. So on the first period on the starting, he acted like he had forgotten about the test, and we are just like
Forgotten, nahi, forgot.
happy, but forgot. And then in the last period, when uh, after 10 minutes we take breath, sir has sir have for, sir have forgot the test, but after 10 minutes
ये तो सीधा बैठ जा पहले तो
sir writes on board.
सिट
Yes,
स्ट्रेट
sir.
सिराना लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हाँ, like that. Yes, अब बोल.
Sir writes board test.
Hmm.
But it's English test, so it's easy for me. But our science ma'am but my science teacher never forgets about test. I don't know why.
I don't know why.
And
Uh,
it's too hard for every student. It's too hard for every student. No one is teacher's chamcha
hmm.
because they know they will fail.
Hmm.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Okay, very good. So I think many of you are so happy because I have also forgotten what I gave you yesterday. But okay, no problem. It will come one day. Today, this is the task that you have to listen to your speaking, and then we will discuss about it tomorrow. Okay, next name is Anjali. Come on, Anjali.
Yes, sir. So, hello everyone. My name is Anjali Meena, and my today's topic is that student who called teacher ka chamcha in the whole class.
हाँ.
So, there is one children.
One child, is it? It is okay. One child. Children is plural.
One student.
हाँ,
student.
One student.
One
हाँ.
student.
Hmm.
Who is called teacher ka chamcha or padaku.
Padaku.
And sometimes me, my friend, and the whole class say, if he is too padaku, why he didn't top
Hmm.
and get topper? And but why? If he said, ma'am, you said today's test, and he got lowest marks.
Hmm.
Sometimes teacher didn't say something, है ना? But sometimes say that I forgot the test. You remind me. That's okay. But you get lowest
Hmm.
marks. To get slap, and our English teacher gave that slap. They didn't get slap. They didn't. मारने को क्या कहते हैं?
Beat.
Beat. He gave us chimney, and that was bad time. And our English teacher got every day 2 periods.
Hmm.
And sometimes in my maths class, my sir didn't forgot anything. But test he didn't forget. He can forget anything, but test do not.
मतलब he forgets everything, but he
But
doesn't.
not
But he never forgets taking test.
yeah.
Oh, so bad luck of you. Come on.
And we want Bharti ma'am who didn't if she forgot, she said you can prepare now in this period, and I will take test tomorrow.
Okay.
And the bad luck of me and my friend
Hmm.
and the whole class.
Hmm.
And sometimes some children think that I can become teacher ka chamcha, and he didn't
Okay.
he didn't say me anything.
Hmm.
So one day a kid, new kid, he came at October, so he at November time he said, "Sir, today's test." I said, "I know." And if you get lowest mark or not upper than 8,
Hmm.
then 10 marks, 10, you get lower than 10, I will slap you 10 times.
Hmm.
And because no one become the chamcha of the answer of math.
Hmm.
But our English teacher is very bad at first time. He gave us chimney, and that was baddest time, and the test also. Every day, in one period he said that you have to do question answers. We did, and the next period test,
Hmm.
and every week.
Hmm.
And on Thursday when the whole class get a games period, one, and he cancel it. They got lowest marks, they will not go. And whole class got lowest marks, the whole class will not go.
Hmm.
That is that bad time, we say that.
Hmm.
Sometimes he fun with us.
He makes fun with us.
He make fun with us, but that time was my baddest time when he made chimney. That is baddest time I ever got.
Baddest नहीं
beaten.
worst. Baddest नहीं worst.
Worst time
Hmm.
in the 4th class.
Hmm.
But one teacher was Chandni ma'am. She was our 2nd class teacher, and she loved me.
Only you.
Yeah, too much, and loved the whole class also. If there came that toffees to teacher only,
Hmm.
so she said, give to the whole class. Whatever, whatever, I will not take.
Hmm. वो तेरे पीछे है ना बंदर. हाँ.
So the student gave us the whole class and the teacher.
Hmm.
And the teacher, and we get happy. And if she should take that gift for us, that a chocolate in a 1 month,
Hmm.
that small chocolate, bagar, वगैरह. And when she was lefting the school, at a
She was
at her
leaving.
last
Lefting नहीं, leaving. Work form को ठीक करो.
leaving
Hmm.
the school, our class give her a mug and a flower.
Hmm.
And that was, and she said, wow, but why you take that? Why you giving me? Because he said, I know your last day. Because somewhere our class two children heard from somewhere that Chani ma'am is lefting the school,
He's lefting नहीं, he's leaving.
leaving the school. Leaving the school. So when we arrange that, that's it, sir.
Very good. शाबाश. बहुत अच्छा चीज पकड़ रहे हो आप. वेरी गुड. थोड़ा वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस करोगे. ओके. और नहीं तो आप अपने किसी टीचर का एक्सपीरियंस कोई बता सकते हो. यू कैन टेल द एक्सपीरियंस विद योर टीचर आल्सो. ओके. सो यू आर फ्री about the situation of a class or about a teacher or about a student. So it is up to you. So now Rakshit, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Rakshit Maurya, and today I am giving my views on the topic that has no title. The speaking wheel itself describes this topic. So we know that what is the environment of Indian schools.
Hmm.
It
Very
is
good.
different. You will see that most of the time the environment of Indian schools is casual or funny. There comes a few moments when the school is serious, because then we come to the classrooms, and we know that everyone is cracking jokes and talking whatever he or she is what on the whatever topic he or she thinking. And also, but when the teacher comes, there is a silence, there comes a silence in the class. And the situation gets too serious when the teacher has given homework, some task yesterday, but most of the students have forgot to do it. And then everyone is praying that anyone should not tell the teacher about the task. But there comes some students they do not see happiness on other students, because they have completed the task, so they tell the teacher about the task, and the students who have not done it gets in trouble. And sometimes, but in my class this happens very this doesn't happens most of the time, because some students do not involve in this, and many students have not done the task. And and but the main thing is there is the fun that everyone gets, and the serious situation everyone face is very different. And also but most of the students gets angry when there is the games period, but schools do not give it to the students by making excuses about anything. So this is the worst situation students get in the school. And their dreams to play in the playground get stuck at the bottom. And so but this every student should support each other. They should not tell the teacher about the homework. The teacher himself or herself should remind about it to himself or herself. And because it should be students trait to support each other, even it is good even they have not done the homework or they have done the homework. That's it, sir.
Very good. Shabash. Very good. कुछ भी है, मस्त बोलते हो है। यस अनुज।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anuj and today the topic is about one kida who bothers everyone in the classroom.
Hmm.
So in Indian schools, the atmosphere is not too serious and is more funny than serious. So uh, in the classroom, when there is a kida in every classroom, and he who used to remember the teacher about the things he forgot. He forgets,
Hmm.
and he tries uh, to make him remember that what you what you have what we were all supposed to do,
Hmm.
but we didn't, but I have done that.
Okay.
And not even not it's not about studies. uh, the real thrill comes when it's about to bunk,
Hmm.
and that one kida goes to principal. So the story is that when a professional bunker like me, tries to bunk, so the school walls seems to be a border, and in this serious situation, in this thrill type of situation, that one kida goes to principal, not while I'm bunking, but after bunking, when I'm out of the school, he goes to principal and tells, sir, he has gone. So absent him for 2 or 3 days or for even today.
Hmm.
So, but when the bunker comes back school to the second day or third day, and when he got that he was complained to principal by a kida, that one kida. So uh, the kida is the kida is stared as the who asked you to what to say, who the kida appears as the biggest enemy
Okay.
of yours.
Ah.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
And being kida is not easy, I would say, because it's a type of skill that you are connected or attached with your teacher, not the one, not only the one teacher, but some students are really attached with all the staff, I would say.
Hmm.
And it's also beneficial to get marks
Okay.
to be attached by a teacher.
Because it is a type of chamchagiri. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
So uh, this kida is also called chatu. That's it, sir.
Okay. Very good. Shabas. Nice explanation. Very good. तुम्हारा सारा दुख दर्द निकल के आ जाता है स्पीकिंग में, है। सब तकलीफें, तुम्हारी व्यथाएं, तुम्हारी पीड़ाएं सब आ जाती हैं। वेरी गुड। रोहित, why are you sad? What happened?
Nothing, sir.
Then why are you sad?
No, sir, I am not sad.
Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, come on.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you about the feeling when we are complained by another student to the teachers and to the sometimes to the principal, sir. So as you all know, in every class there is one student who is always keen to tell the complaints of the students to the teacher and always supports teacher in his point of view. Like sometimes teacher blame a student for his mischiefs, and he also adds that yes ma'am, he this student is like this like that. And most of the time these types of student remind the teacher for what he had done in last classes. Like the most of the matter is of homework, when sometimes we forgot to do homework, and then one student came out of the class and said to the teacher that ma'am, you have said that you will check the homework today. And that time if I have done the homework, then I don't feel any type of anger on that child or that student. But when I have not done the homework or not brought the copy, then I am very angry on this, that now
Hmm.
my image will be disrupted
Collapsed.
in,
Yes.
in front of the class,
Ah,
and ma'am will punish her us by making us stand outside the class.
hmm,
So at that time I used to get very angry on that student, and this these types of students are there in almost every class.
hmm,
And I although I never tried to bunk at the school, but I have tried to bunk the
hmm,
classes, and I got into, and I went to the ground and played for 2 to 3 periods.
Oh.
But once a student complained
Hmm,
about me that ma'am, four students of the class have bunked the class, and now they are playing in the ground. At that point of time I was feeling very angry with that student, and wanted to beat him
hmm.
until he says that now I will do it, don't do it, never. So these types of students are there in every class, and we should not we can't do anything about them, because if we will try to say something to them that you should not do this, they will say this to the teacher, that ma'am, these students are bullying me for my hobbies.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's why, and also they are mostly the favorite of the teachers, because they always tell yes and no, yes and no, and all, and always add their opinions with the teacher's opinion, and the teachers also like them because they praise the teachers. And almost all the students in the classroom hate that boy, because he always reminds about the homework, and and all the students who have not done get the punishment. So I want to say that if anyone in the class is belongs to that category, so please don't do that types of things in the class. Your praising of, when you praise the teacher, then you get benefit, but all the students who have not done the work, or belong
Oh
to
my
the
God.
backbencher category, get the punishment
Yeah.
without any reason. So you should support those students who have not done the work, because sometimes you will also forget to do the work, and at that time they can make fun of you. That's it, sir.
वाह यार, मजा आ गया भाई तेरी बात तो सुन के यार। कुछ भी बोल लेते हो, मतलब कोई भी टॉपिक दिया जाए ना तुमको, मतलब यू आर ऑन द पॉइंट व्हेन एनी टॉपिक यू कैन स्पीक ऑन एनी टॉपिक यार। दिस इज अ ग्रेट थिंग फॉर मी यार। दिस इज माय अचीवमेंट, दिस इज द अचीवमेंट ऑफ माय लाइफ, एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी यार। शाबाश यार बेटा यार, वेरी गुड यार, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस। कम ऑन लक्ष्मी।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today my topic is about school life. Whenever, whenever sir said that tomorrow, tom, 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 that tomorrow will be a test, and we we were afraid because of test, and sometime I didn't go school because of test, and
Hmm.
and that time I knew that the test, the sir didn't take test, and whenever I go, I went to school, and sir took a test,
Hmm.
and sometime I avoided the test, because sometime I didn't study, and in my classroom girls had more influence than boys, and in my classroom there were 7 girls and 20 boys, and we and some girls were very very intelligent, and some were weak, and whenever I learn many things related to the test, and I sat alone in the test, and whenever I didn't read anything, i I sat with my friend to 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 cheating, and sometimes sir forgot something, and sometime I remembered to sir that today, and that today will be today will be test, and my homework was always complete, and sometime sir scolded to me because of my low marks,
Hmm.
and 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 we were happy this time because we I spend my my time with my friends and sir, and that's it, sir.
Wow, 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 very good. Once I saw that when students are informed prior that tomorrow a test will be taken. So what I saw that most of the students were missing in the class. And if when I asked that where are the students, so the remaining students told me, sir, they have run away because of the test. So you know what strategy I followed after it? I never told them that there would be a test tomorrow. And suddenly I used to take the test. So I know that our children, our students are very, very clever, very genius. They have the solution of every problem. Gaurav bhai, where are you? दिख ही नहीं रहे मेरे को ये लोग कहाँ गए सारे के सारे हैं कम ऑन हर्ष ये सो गए
Yes,
क्या
sir.
पढ़ गए
Sir.
होंगे पढ़ गए कैमरे चालू करो तुम अपने अपने कम ऑन हर्ष
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Harsha. Today I'm going to tell you that tell about a student who always reminds the teacher of the previous class.
डू यू लाइक
Uh,
इट और नॉट
sir, I will tell you later on.
ओके ओके ठीक है
First of all, I want to tell to all the teachers, if they are watching this video,
Okay.
that you should only remember this, because when the students can remember 100 chapters at a time and write that in exam,
Oh.
then teachers should also remember the previous class, so that students are there should not be any quarrel between the students, because when a student will remind the teacher about the previous class, all other will be his enemies.
Hmm.
So to neglect this conflict, teacher should remember what he or she had done in the last class. And now on the topic that I want to say that I am only the student who reminds the teacher about this.
Okay.
But my purpose is not
To create problems for other students, na?
but only to create problems for other students. But I do this because to make my friends be punished for this, because all of my friends in my friend group are just that backbenchers type, and I am included in it in too. But I always do my homework and they do not. So to make them be beaten by the teacher, I do this.
Okay. So
And
you want to make them better or anything else?
sir, anything else?
Okay. Well, you don't want you don't want to make them better, but just for punishment because they create problem for you.
No.
Then
Sometimes when I do not do work, then they also do the same with me.
okay. So
And
this is a
we have no problem with it that teacher punishes us for not doing the homework.
okay. So this is a type of revenge.
No revenge, just for fun and
Oh,
wasting the
what
time of
is
the
fun
class.
here in beating? When a teacher beats a student by or when a
It is
teacher punishes a student, so what is fun in it?
it is a waste of time for the period.
Yes. Okay. Carry on.
And no revenge or no personal sorry,
Conflicts
no personal conflict, just for fun and wasting the time of
so
the
that
teacher
the
and
teacher
entertaining them.
cannot teach you more. Oh my God. These are so clever यार स्टूडेंट भी एक अलग ही चीज होती है यार. Yes, come on, carry on.
and
uh,
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 and uh, when students remind a teacher of the test, I always remind of only homework, not the test,
okay.
because many times too I also not learn for the test. As but That's not the problem for me and my friends, because we all are so perfect in cheating that if a teacher is standing beside us, then also we can talk to a person if on the first bench, and if we are on the last bench.
Hmm.
I don't know why the teachers in the time of test loses their ability to hear.
Hmm. Hmm.
Either they do it for us to cheat, or they just do not listen it. I don't know about that.
Hmm. Hmm.
And that's it, sir.
वेरी गुड यार. सच्ची बताऊं मैं आपको, मैं कहता हूं ना कि आई लर्न फ्रॉम यू एंड आई मेक माई स्ट्रेटजीज अगेंस्ट यू जस्ट आफ्टर लिसनिंग टू यू, है ना. बट दिस इज अ ग्रेट थिंग दैट, एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट यू स्पीक क्लियरली what you have in your mind. So this is a good thing, and there must be an environment where we can speak, when we can utter our feelings. Shabash beta, very good, keep it up. Yes, come on Kajal.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Hello, everyone. My name is Kalun. Today, my topic is uh, uh, teacher of a chamcha. Chamcha of a teacher.
चमचा. वाह यार, क्या क्या सोचते हो तुम
Sorry,
लोग
sir.
सच्ची में यार, यही तो पता चलता है मेरे को. वेरी गुड. मतलब एक स्टूडेंट्स को कैसे समझते हैं
Uh,
हम इतना, बिकॉज ऑफ योर क्लियर स्पीकिंग. और हमेशा मेरे साथ ये राइट, इट ऑलवेज हैपेंस विद मी इन एवरी स्कूल. मतलब स्टूडेंट्स मेरे से बहुत हमेशा खुल के ही रहे हैं, और बहुत हमेशा उन्होंने खुल करके ही बात की है. सो आई एम थैंकफुल ऑफ गॉड. यस, कम ऑन काजल.
yes, sir. As we all students know that this feeling, because it is a very sad story for a student. Uh,
दुखती रग पे हाथ रख देता हूँ कभी कभी मैं. हाँ बोल बेटा. हाँ. हाँ.
this is a bad feeling for a student, and it will. It was happened with me a lot of time when I was in my school time, and one day
हाँ.
and sometimes it's happened with me, and not only sometimes but always, because when I was in ninth, I was not interested in studies,
हम्म.
and I only feel that uh,
बोलती रहे.
not an interesting topic.
हाँ.
uh, नॉट सर, इसको ऐसे कैसे बोलूंगी कि मैं पढ़ाई के लिए नहीं बनी हूँ. आई फील दैट.
I am not for study.
यस
I am
सर.
not for.
आई 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 नॉट फॉर स्टडी.
हाँ.
Yes, sir. When I was in ninth class, I felt that I'm not for study, and it is not an interesting topic for me, and I feel that sometimes thus these those students who who is the chamcha of the teacher, he always सर उसको क्या बोलेंगे, फंसाने को.
हैं?
he she always, most of the girls that most of the girls puzzled me for
हाँ.
this, and sometimes I didn't do my homework, and I that time teacher will come teacher came in when the teacher came in my class, uh, in my class, and I feel that I did not do my, I feel that I don't do my homework, and sir, I hope that sir and ma'am forget this, and I this time this feeling is very bad for me, and because I remember that time I remembered all the gods, and
The
I
God.
said that I will do this.
Uh,
This sir forget this
uh,
and this. So this is the very bad feeling for me. When God listens to me, but is God always helped me in that situation. So I'm always I always happy, and sometimes sir asked us for the test, and if I know that so that tomorrow will be test, uh, I I I appear from the class,
I appear,
and
I miss,
I don't know,
I leave the class, or I miss
I
the
miss
class. I do not go to school.
I
I
miss
do not go
that.
to school. है ना? Whenever I did not go to school on the day of test. Yes, come on.
This that day I didn't I did not go to school, and I feel that that day, and when so it's not about this, and I when I bunked the school, and the next day it will be happened with me that sir not forgot this, and they for asked to the students who who did not come school yesterday, and they stand up, and they sir, and always sir sir's chamcha and chamchis said that not come to school
Uh,
yesterday,
uh,
did not come to school yesterday, and this time I feel that I will kill you, and very, very bad for me, and I feel this in this situation I feel this this bad feeling a lot of time, and I always uh, I always remember the God, and thank God, God always helped me, and uh, but in this situation, this is the feeling is good that मैं बच गई, सर ने
I
ये नहीं
saved. I was saved. हाँ बोलो.
saved, and uh, and this is the very bad story of for me, for this is the very bad story of सर इसको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा कुछ, कैसे बोलूं कि ये मेरी बहुत बड़ी
Sad
कहानी थी.
story, not bad
This
story.
was my very bad
Sad
story.
story.
Okay, sir.
Sad and funny story.
This was my bad and very funny story that I told you. I tell you all, and I hope that all the students understand the feeling, and they all
Keep
support
quiet.
this situation. So that's that's it.
शाबाश. Very good. मजा आ गया सुन के. तुम्हें तो पता चलता है क्या क्या कर सकता है एक स्टूडेंट. कहते हैं कि स्टूडेंट जो होता है ना भाई,
सर
वो कुछ भी कर सकता है. हाँ बोल.
सर पहले तो सोच रही थी क्या बोलूं, कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, और जब आपने टॉपिक दिया पूरी भड़ास निकल गई.
ऐसे यही तो बात होती है बेटा. टॉपिक भी तो ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि अब मैंने कहा ना कि स्पीक इंग्लिश एज यू विश. बात ये होती है बेटा, अब वो चीज होती है तो वो टॉपिक अपने आप ही निकल के आता है फिर कहीं ना कहीं से कि यार क्या इनको टॉपिक दें जो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ से जुड़ा हुआ हो। तो बस वही चीज होती है बेटा, है ना, बस कोशिश करते रहो ऐसे ही। यस, कम ऑन वैष्णवी,
Yes, sir.
आ जा।
Good evening, all of you. I'm Vaishnavi. Today, our topic is school life.
हाँ।
In every classroom there is a chamcha and
चमचा चमची तो
chamcha
आज
या
पॉपुलर हो
chamchi.
गया, खूब वर्ड्स आए भाई, बात तो दिन आ गए चमचा चमची के, देखो आप। यस।
There is
हाँ।
every chamcha and chamchi, and I'm telling about the episode that my Hindi teacher Rajni ma'am, and one day she told us that tomorrow I will test of this that I will test of this chapter, and and uh, and we means all the students beg beg to her, कि ma'am please don't test, and but she can't understand, and then next day we have we have to
we had to face
we have to face the
we
situation.
had to, we पास्ट में बोल रहे हैं ना बेटा, तो पास्ट
हाँ.
का इंसिडेंट अपन बता रहे हैं तो प्रेजेंट टेंस नहीं, पास्ट टेंस ही यूज करो।
we had to do the test, and we had to face the situation, and sometimes Rajni ma'am scolded us and punished us, and there is a chamcha and whose name is Mayank, who always who always said to ma'am that ma'am tomorrow is that ma'am today's test, and you have to test today right now, and all the students feel very angry, and we look at him very angry,
एंग्रीली एडवर्ब आ जाएगा ना बेटा, एंग्रीली, गुस्से से
angrily
एडवर्ब आ गया वहां पर। हाँ, या शाबाश, बोल बेटा।
angrily on him, and we start and some students started abusing him in सर मन में क्या बोलते हैं, मन में गाली देना से you
in their heart,
and especially girls feel very sad, and
girls especially feel very sad.
because that my Hindi is not good, and
okay.
I'm very weak in this subject, and whenever there is a test I take holiday.
Oh, very good. Shabash.
I take holiday, and sometimes teacher complain to my parents that Vaishnavi takes the holiday so much, and my parents also argues with me, and they angry on me, and I feel very sad, and so next day I सब मजबूरी को क्या बोलते हैं,
compulsion,
so I compulsion go to the school because of
नहीं, I am compelled ऐसे बनाओ इसको सर,
compelled
to go to school,
I'm compelled to go to the school,
and I am forced, ऐसे भी कह सकते हो, एक ही बात है बेटा वो, है ना। हाँ,
and so that's why this was my school life. Thank you sir, that's it.
मतलब all the views are the same about it, but no one is here that yes sir, this is a good thing, very good, shabash, and all want always that their teacher must forget whatever they have given to them. गजब है यार, गजब के लोग हो यार तुम लोग, तो एक बात है, very good. Actually today I have learned a new thing about you, so I will get ready the next time. यस बेटा, यही तो बात है। आ जाओ खुशी, आजा 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 बेटा, आजा, जा कर रही है तू, आजा आजा बेटा, आजा।
Yes, sir.
बस होने वाला है।
Hello
खुशी,
and good
सिमरन,
evening to
आदित्य,
all of
हाँ
you.
हाँ बोल
My
बेटा।
name is Kriti Gujar. I'm telling about my school's time journey. I am one of those people missing the class.
ओके।
Just like Kajal said, uh, my ninth class was also very bad. I'm average student that time, and my maths teacher said that she she will fail in a ninth class for me.
She will fail me.
She said for me she will fail in a ninth class.
जैसे
I
उन्होंने
fe-
क्या
I
कहा आपको कि वो तुम्हें फेल कर देंगी या तुम फेल हो जाओगी?
तुम फेल होगी नाइन्थ क्लास में.
हाँ, तो यू विल बी फेल्ड, यू विल फेल इन
Will
नाइन्थ क्लास. ओके, यू विल फेल इन नाइन्थ क्लास. हाँ.
I felt very bad, but I didn't do anything, and I didn't understand math because,
Okay.
and
So
sometime I didn't remember any things related to test. Next day there was a test. Definitely.
okay.
I got angry, and
You got angry? Okay.
because sometime I learned all things related to test, but next day there was not test.
Okay.
So something this happened to me.
What happened, beta?
uh, Whenever I learn all things and test was not
Test did not take place. Okay.
take.
And there would be no test. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, बोल. ऐसे सीखेगी बेटा, बोल बोल बोल. हाँ.
Sometime I avoided test. I took a holiday.
I took leave. Holiday नहीं, leave.
And my ninth class was very difficult for me. And
और 10th class?
10th class, math teachers admired so much
You?
to me
Okay.
because my maths improve a lot, and I solve all questions, all lessons of the math, and that's it, sir.
अरे वाह, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड. अब तो ठीक है ना, निकल गया ना वो टाइम, डिफिकल्ट टाइम तेरा निकल गया. अच्छा, ठीक है.
तो चल रहा है भी थोड़ा थोड़ा
थोड़ा चल रहा है भी, कोई बात नहीं, निकल जाएगा ये भी. अच्छा नहीं रहा तो बुरा भी कहाँ से रहेगा बेटा. यस, कम ऑन सिमरन. बस सिमरन के बाद आदित्य, आ जाओ, बस खत्म कर रहे हैं. हाँ.
Yes, sir. Hey everyone, good evening. I am Simran, and today I am telling about today's topic, and it is depend on every student's school. what happened with him or her in their school, in his or her school, and I felt this type of situation in my school time,
Hmm.
and in my school time, sometime I felt uh, uh, whenever any student, sorry, any teacher, uh, any teacher uh, said to us about test. I take your test next day, but mistakenly he forget the test
Hmm.
when all student feel very happy, and
Hmm.
they feel like आज तो मजा आ गया,
Oh.
but but one but in every class uh, has uh, dif- different type, yeah, special category of student
Uh,
who always remind sir,
पढ़ाकू टाइप.
are you not taking today's test?
Hmm.
When all students change, when all students look at that student,
Hmm.
and all the class change the mood, and all the class suddenly sad, and they
Became
thought,
sad. Became sad. Became
became sad,
sad.
and
हाँ,
they thought, maro ise maro.
हाँ, हाँ.
But in the school they didn't that type of things,
Hmm.
because this is unlegal, and
Illegal, illegal, punishable. Okay, punishable act. Okay, illegal.
and
Illegal. बोल.
and I want to tell my class incident, when I read in my 12th class.
Hmm. Hmm.
I One day my political sir
Hmm.
uh, uh, came came in my class, and uh, he was very angry.
हाँ,
I don't know why,
हाँ,
but
हाँ.
that day
But
uh,
that day. Okay, okay, okay. That day.
he asked question, and he asked question every student one by one, but
Hmm.
he asked question out of syllabus, because he wanted only be, uh, sir, beating
हाँ,
to
हाँ.
all students.
शाबाश, शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया बोल रही है. Very good. हाँ.
But he said, uh, closed the all door, because he said, I didn't want all school students looked your sir
Beating.
your things
Hmm. हाँ, हाँ. बोल आते बोल. हाँ.
when we closed the door, and that day was very uh, uh, ve- very helpful all students, I can't I
Forget.
can't forget that
हाँ,
day.
हाँ.
And, all students said about their sad story today. Also,
वेरी
and
गुड.
that's
वेरी गुड. मजा आ गया. बहुत बढ़िया बोला बेटा आज तो तूने यार. शाबाश. मजा आ गया. ऐसे बोला करो बस हमेशा. यस, कम ऑन भाई साहब. पधारो हमारे देश. हाँ. यस।
Yes, sir.
हाँ सर,
Hello,
थक गए? हाँ
hello everyone. My name is Aditya, and today my topic is about my school life.
हम्म
So I'm very simple child in school, and I don't say anything to my friends, teachers. I'm very disciplined person, and I get a award of discipline. But now I am in sixth class, and and today about five five children stop my friends and me my games period, and then then I then I call him in the toilet, and I'm beating him in
हाँ
very sweet mood, and I
हाँ हाँ
and I
हाँ
and I and I and I feel I am in a heaven. Finally, I take my revenge, and 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 I and and which anger I feel in my body. I uh, all think सर निकालने को क्या कहेंगे?
टुक आउट, टेक आउट, क्या बोलना चाहते हो? आई टुक
Yeah,
आउट।
yeah, I took out on them,
हाँ
and I feel very happy, and I say them, you know, you don't say, you did not say no one, and you say anyone, you come in the toilet, and I do.
ये तो गुंडे हो गए, गुंडे हैं। हाँ, सुन रहे, रिगार्डिंग चल
and
रही है बेटा तुम्हारी सारी। हाँ, आज तुम्हारे टीचर्स के पास ही जाएगी सबके पास। बोलो।
and and I and but now I'm very happy and I don't say about all things because my mother and father stand back on.
ओके, आई
Okay,
कैन
that's it.
अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रॉब्लम। वेरी गुड। सो एनीथिंग एल्स? ओके, एनीथिंग एल्स? हैव यू कंप्लीटेड? ओके बेटा, चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। सबका हो गया है? अरे ज्योति, कुछ बोलेगी क्या बेटा? हेलो, 2 शब्द, 4 शब्द, कुछ? कैमरा चालू कर दे रहा।
No, sir.
आजा आजा, थोड़ा सा बोल ले। आज देख, शुरुआत करते हैं आज से। आजा आजा, 2 शब्द, 4 शब्द, कुछ बोल। बोलेगी बेटा? है मन? है? कैमरा तो चालू कर बेटा।